the Oxford cryostat. The cryostat is, why does it not tell me a COM port here?
There's a box that said communication channel when it was blank.
Yeah. Okay, that's weird. All right, so, because I was going to use that for process of elimination.
Sure.
But anyway, we come here.
I mean, it's only like 5 of them, right?
Yeah.
Try 4.
So we'll try 4, test. Failed.
All right.
Let's try 2. Boom. Was successful.
Okay, it's in COM 2 video. COM 2.
Once it is set, we don't have to bother much, correct?
Yep.
And it's saved here on this video. COM 2. Oh, it said could not connect.
Did not found the non-safe.
Okay, so is something else wrong?
Make sure this is saved. COM 2. Yep.
Okay.
And again, test is successful.
Test was successful. Save changes.
Yeah.
Tools. Connect.
Okay.
Could not connect.
So now this might be one of these things. We had it wrong. We turned the heater on. So we're going to go for our classic. Turn it off.
All right.
It is possible I'll have to disconnect from the instrument and reconnect from within data collector in order to update.
So right now we're doing the turn everything off and on thing.
Yep.
And changing the order of which we turn things on. Okay. So close down everything and then data collector, or?
Yeah, let's hit the heater on question.
Still the same message.
Yeah. Okay.
So you went to, what did you just go to?
Oh, I just instrument disconnect, instrument connect.
Gotcha.
Now you'll notice before we were getting in that box that I clicked OK on before I should let you see it.
Yeah.
Before we were getting an error message about communication. This time we did not.
Because we switched to the COM 2.
Yes.
Okay.
So I believe now it's
doing different things now. Look at that.
Yeah.
The messages are popping up.
and it's reading the sample temperature. So because we had the COM port wrong, we
had the COM port wrong, and we have to turn the thing off. We can play around with turning it off and on.
Yeah.
Oh,
but
gotcha.
from now on, this should be a non-issue.
Okay, let me stop this video
Yep.
so I don't have one huge file.